Hello, my name is Camille. I am from Chantal, which means Sunshine Spring, located in northern Arizona. I wanted to go to school and bring back that knowledge and make a change within my community. So I went to school at Fort Lewis College and I wanted to study engineering. Now I've been working with the Fort Lewis College Solar Initiative, a part of the Village Aid Project, where we're building off-grid systems on the Navajo Nation and to provide the basic needs to give families the basic needs such as refrigerator and lighting.
Okay, my name is Brian Key, and I'm originally from this area, and this place is called Tall Mountain. Living here from ever since I was born up till now. We've been living here without no running water or electricity. So today, Fort Lewis College came here to install solar for electricity, make it a reality for my parents and our family to have electricity. And I'm 55 years old, so it took this long.
Being a fourth generation member of Southwest Colorado, I know firsthand how impoverished sections of the Navajo Nation are and how there's been a lot of promises made here and broken. And I feel it's very important, especially being a local, to give back and help change some of that situation. So providing power out here is very important to me, yeah.
Some of the obstacles that we face and with solar energy and installing solar here on the Navajo Nation is that it takes a lot of time, energy, and commitment to come out here today and install solar for residents in need who lives 20 miles on the dirt road, and it's not easy to access these areas. Like yesterday, we had a lot of muddy terrain, and so that's one of our big challenges, as well as funding opportunities.
All right, my name's Carl Bickford. I'm actually a lab coordinator up at Fort Lewis College in the engineering and physics department. But what we're doing today are some off-grid solar installations. And we've got planned to do 4 separate sites. All the systems are fairly similar. We've got a big solar electric array with PV panels that they're preparing the site for. We've got an inverter panel that's going to be mounted in a little enclosure, and we've got batteries. So these are off-grid systems. We have to have batteries to store the energy.
You two ready?
No. Need the drill.
We can talk about it.
The first thing we have to do is build the trusses. Trusses are the triangular pieces you see holding up the array behind me. So they're made out of Unistrut, and students spent 2 full Saturdays cutting the trusses, drilling holes in the trusses. We, using a water jet cutter, cut our own gussets, which join all the pieces together. Everything came out on a 17-foot trailer.
Okay.
When we get here to the site, first thing we have to do is level the ground for the trusses. So once we got the ground leveled, we assembled the trusses, and you might be able to see that there are some livestock troughs sitting on the trusses. That's ballast to weight the trusses. They've been designed to withstand 100-mile-an-hour wind. Next step is we put on what's called the rails, and those attach the PV panels to the truss. This morning we showed up and we're installing the modules. There's 8 modules per system. And we also had to dig a trench from the array to where the inverter is located in a secure shed that was provided by the homeowner.
On that day when we brought solar to my grandparents' house was very, very touching, where I felt that we're making a huge impact to the community. When we first turned the lights on and seeing the face expressions of my aunt in tears and the joy of seeing electricity for the first time, it brought that emotion of having that feeling of joy where we were missing my grandparents. We wish that they would have been here to see that. My dream is to help bring more solar to the Shanto community and to the Navajo Nation. That's what really motivates me, and growing up, you know what it's like to carry your own water, to go to the store, to the grocery store and come back and having fresh produce. It makes a change and to your overall health, and I want to be that change and be that leader within the community.